Imagine having an online business that pay you $100, $300, even $900 per sale, all while you work only few hours a day. Today, I will show you how to get started with zero experience and keep every dollar to yourself. My name is François. I am currently living in Lisbon. Just a few years ago, I moved from my home country to look for a better life abroad. And like many brother and sister in the diaspora, I wanted time freedom and a steady income. I tried traditional job, but I realized that they only took up more of my time with little reward. That is when I discovered digital marketing, where you can sell higher value digital product and earn 100% commission. Getting started just doesn't require any technical skills. You don't need to have experience, and this program gives you the training, marketing resources, and also an amazing community of over 44,000 active members. So this community can support you every step of the way. And here is the best part: you earn 100% of the profit. So which means every sales you make goes directly to you. This strategy can give you time to visit family more often and also live life on your own terms. So if you are ready to start your own international digital business with zero experience, click the link below in the description box of this video that you're watching, and let's build your future together. So now I'm going to take you to show you inside our community what other members are saying about this program. You will see some new earning proof or statement that it is possible. So, and individual result may vary, but you can duplicate similar result or even greater than what you're going to see today. Today is Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024. These are some, on the screen you can see some earning proof from people inside our community. So these are people from all over the globe. We have over 44,000 members. So you can see here, this was 2 days ago. Kathleen, she posted here inside our community. She was able to make $4,500 in a little over 2 weeks with this program. You can see here, 2 weeks income, you see. And she said, started in mid-September, this online business, this started, but wasn't consistent until the first week of October. She said, yeah, I have made $4,500 in 2 weeks, and I am not stopping there. I finished paying off my car, and now I am tackling the remaining debt I have so I can be debt free by Christmas. This is her goal, you can see. So everyone have their own goal. This business can help you fulfill your goal and dream. Here also posted, that was 7 hours ago, and here $600 payment notification received on my birthday. This is what it said here. Yesterday I made $600 on my birthday while preparing to go on holiday, and that is 10,500 rand. That is in South African currency. I have been in this business for 8 months now, and it works. As long as you will be yourself, celebrate the small win and stay consistent, you will see the monetary gain come in. Stay focused, you see. So This is proof that this business is working, and it can work for anyone from any country because it is a global business opportunity. You see people from all over the globe inside our community. You can be a part of our community also if you take action today. My website address is in the description box of this video. I will also leave it in the comment section. So let's move. You can see some more earning proof or statement. You can hear Amanda, that was 1 day ago. She posted, she said, $900 sales while at my daughter's birthday. Second sales 2 weeks into this business. So she already made, in 2 weeks time, she made her second sales. She said, I am so overjoyed and excited about this program, and it's clearly working. I am just over 2 weeks in and had a $900 sales come in while I celebrating my daughter's birthday. This is my second sales as now I made, and her message continue. Martha also posted, that was a 12 hours ago, $300 commission while getting ready to sleep. In bed, getting ready to go to sleep when $300 commission came in because of the automated business that you can also get yours today. She said, thank God I am helping another person toward a successful future. And Rushen also posted $900 a payment notification in the raining weather. He said here, in spite of the tropical storm here in Jamaica, my automated system still works perfectly. $900 commission while setting up for another system. You can see here. So people are earning from all around the globe. So this is a international business. You can start this business from any country, and it can also be a blessing to you. Congratulations to everyone. We still have some more to see. It's proof that our business model is working. That is why we have over 44,000 members inside our community. And you can get your own business set up today. You can get a master resale right, or you can own 4 digital products. You have 4 separate income streams that can keep coming on autopilot even while you are sleeping, traveling, or doing whatever you love. This business will be working for you around the clock. You can see some more. Leslie posted 1 day ago. She also earned a $900 commission in Costco, helped me hit 6-figure income in digital marketing. So she said, yeah, I started digital marketing 15 months ago. I started skeptical, and I didn't have the money to invest, but my God said this was the things that will change my situation and my future. And then she went in with her business. She was able to get the money to invest, and now she already earned 100,000. You can see a 6-figure income earner. So you see, this is truly amazing business. That is why I also got started, and I'm sharing with you because I know, I believe it can help you also. 2 days ago, Zalisa also posted. She said, pains me because I made $900 commission today at home with my babies. I don't have the word to express what I am feeling. For years, I have been trying every opportunity to make an income to provide for my family without sacrificing time with them. And her message continue. You see, people are earning multiple $900 commission. You can see here $900, $900, you see. So this is our best selling product, the $900. We have also a $600 product, a $300 product, and our lowest product is $100. So you can earn unlimited commission from all these 4 income streams. If you own the right to them, you can own them and you can resell them using our automated platform. You can have a business in your box working for you 24/7. And my website address is below if you want to learn more on how you can get started. And you can go through the same system you will be getting if you take action. And congratulations to everyone inside our community. Let's move on. This is my goal, to help people like you, people in the diaspora, people that have traveled overseas just like me to look for a better life. I know it's not easy, but it's better if you can get something like this. You can get a business that can help you to get more time freedom, so you can be able to travel more often to visit your family member at home, back home, your friend, your relative, and so on. This is my goal, to help you so you can become your own boss and you can earn more money working less time, because we learn to use only 2 hours a day to run this business from anywhere. So my goal is to help you to earn a minimum of $2,000 to $5,000 per month. And also my goal is to help people who want to have more time freedom to be able to do whatever they want. People who want to travel whenever and wherever they want without asking for a permission. This is my goal, to help you to fulfill your goal and your dream with this automated online business that you can get started today. And you can get also access to our private community. You can see this one, I took this screenshot today. This is updated information. We have now 44,000. Let me highlight here. You can see 44,500 members. So at the time I took the screenshot, 300 people were online. You can see we have a 5 admin here. So this is one of the best community to be on, and the goal here is to create 1,000 6-figure income earner inside our community and a 1,000 millionaire. We already have a lot of 6-figure income earner inside. We also have a few millionaire. Right, just in South Africa alone, we have almost more than 15 people have already become millionaire in South African currency. We have also people with that is millionaire in US dollar, and this is truly a place to be. It can truly transform your financial situation. So my website address is below if you want to learn more on how you can get started today. Okay, so let's move on. And you can see this is my website address below here. You can also find it in the description box of this video. I will also link a link in the comment section for your easy access. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, and also if you have any question, you can put them in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye for now.